send this. Okay, so this is the word problem. Okay, James plays Fortnite. I actually don't know Fortnite that well. It's like a shooting game, right? Hello, Timothy?
Hello? Hello?
Okay, yeah. So Fortnite is a shooting game, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so James plays Fortnite. His number of kills over time in minutes is expressed by the function g of x equals 2x. Okay, Jenny plays Fortnite too. She says she's better than James. Her number of kills over time in minutes is shown by this graph. So the x is going to be minutes, and y, or this y-axis, is going to be her number of kills. So the question is, who has more kills if they played for 2 minutes? How would we go about solving this? What do we need to figure out?
Can I take some time to
Yeah, process. Oh, no, actually, not even, Timothy. I'm showing you how to do this. So that's the question I'm going to be asking. So you just pay attention, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to think about what information is given to me. All right. So here I know that that I'm looking at 2 minutes, and I'm trying to figure out, my unknown is that number of kills for both Jenny and James, right? I know we're working with a function, so I'm going to figure out what the input and output is for the word problem. So in this case, I know input is inside the parentheses, so it's whatever is it's x, right? Yeah. So that's going to be the same for the equation and the graph. So I know that input. Huh?
Wouldn't it be 2?
It would be 2 in this case, but right now I'm just thinking about in the word problem.
So
x is going to represent minutes, and the output is going to be either g of x, and then the graph I'm going to say is f of x, is going to represent the number of kills.
Fortnite's not your favorite game.
So what I'm going to say here, I'm going to solve for James first. So for James, I know that x is equal to 2, right? Just like you said, the input is 2. So I'm looking for what? G of 2, correct, right? So I will solve for that by looking at the equation. I know g of x is equal to 2x, so g of 2 is going to be 2 times 2, right? So that's going to be 4 kills. So James has 4 kills over 2 minutes. Now for Jenny, I'm also looking at x equals 2. But in this case, hers is a graph, right? So I'm going to look at f of 2 and figure out where the y value is. So I'm going to do what you did, right? So I'm going to start at the 0, move to the right 2, and then go up.
So she got 4, positive 4.
Yeah. So what did we realize?
They got the same kills?
Yeah. So
it's
the answer is tied. Yeah. Answer is they tied at 2 minutes. They both got 4 kills. So when you're answering those problems, that's what you're going to do. You're going to think about what's unknown, what's given, figure out what the input output is based on the word problem, right? And then you just kind of solve for it. James is an equation, so you put in the equation. Jenny is a graph, so you looked at it on the graph, and then you compared their answers. All right. So here are notes that you can look